What's up, guys? It's Grayson here. Today we're going solo kayak fishing. It is very cloudy outside. Let's hope we can catch some fish on some top waters. Hope you guys stay tuned and enjoy the video. Alright guys, so today we're going to be throwing this white buzzbait on this ducket rod that I just bought. It's brand new. I haven't even used it yet. It's a 7-foot medium heavy. So let's hope that it gets the job done. And also, my other bait of choice for a topwater on this cloudy day is the Choppo 90 topwater. Kind of looks similar to a whopper plopper, but we're also throwing that on a 6/8 medium heavy rod, so let's hope that does it too. Is nearly half the size of or it is over half the size of wow. Giant spiders. There we go. On the Choppo 90. That will hurt if I get those treble hooks in there. Gotta be real careful with these treble hooks Choppo 90. Alright guys, we are home. There's my kayak. I did not make a video while I was driving home, but so I caught probably 8 fish, about 5 on GoPro because my GoPro ended up dying. That is why you bring extra batteries, but overall it was a pretty good day for the amount of time that I fished. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video and leave me a like for more content like this. And I want you guys to leave me in the comments what you want to see more of. So I appreciate everyone's support. Have a good day.